Hello and welcome back to Purdue Channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about order assignment, a feature that helps you distribute incoming orders to your store admins or staff members. The purpose of this feature is to make order handling more organized and efficient. For example, let's say you have 3 admin staff members and 6 new orders come in. With order assignment, those 6 orders can be evenly distributed so that each admin only needs to handle 2 orders. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, click the like button below, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any of our upcoming tutorials. From your Purdue website dashboard, go to the left sidebar, click Apps, and search for Order Assignment. First, you need to activate the order assignment status. Here, you'll see a list of your store staff members. Select which staff members should receive distributed orders. In this example, I'll activate both staff members. Next, we'll set the distribution ratio. There are 3 options: equal, custom, and conditional. Let's choose custom, so you can decide how many orders each admin receives in percentage form. For example, Staff 1 gets 60%, Staff 2 gets 40%. So if there are 10 new orders, Staff 1 will receive 6 orders, and Staff 2 will receive 4 orders. You're free to adjust the ratio based on your operational needs. Now, let's move to Rules settings. Here you can choose which notifications will be sent to each admin when an order is assigned to them. Notifications can be sent via email or chat. Select which notifications should be sent for Staff 1 and Staff 2. Once everything is set, click Save. After order assignment is active, go to the Orders page. If you don't see a My Orders section yet, refresh the page. Once activated, a My Orders section will appear. This section shows only the orders assigned to the currently logged-in staff account. Orders assigned to other staff members will still be visible under All Orders. You can also filter orders by assigned staff, and each order will display the name of the staff member responsible for it. Now, let's say one of your staff creates a draft order. Once the draft is saved and assigned, that order will automatically appear in My Orders for Staff 1. The assigned staff name will also be shown clearly. This draft order will not be redistributed to other staff members. However, if you open an order that is assigned to you, you can reassign it to another staff member. Click Change, select the new staff member. Confirm and assign. Please note, you can only reassign orders that are assigned to your own account. To view the order assignment history, go to the left sidebar. Click Reports, then Staff. Here, you can see a detailed report of order distribution by staff, filtered by a selected time period. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video, leave a comment below, and subscribe to Purdue for more website tutorials like this. Follow us on social media for more tutorials like this. See you in the next video.